Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the coolest gadgets. Today, we have something that's going to light up your workspace, the Xiaomi Mi computer monitor light bar. Do you ever find yourself squinting at your computer screen late at night or dealing with annoying screen reflections? Well, Xiaomi has a solution that's sleek, stylish, and functional. Let's talk features. This light bar is designed to make your computing experience better. It attaches easily to the top of your monitor, leaving your precious desk space clutter-free. And check this out, it comes with a 2.4 GHz wireless remote control, giving you full control over your lighting. Xiaomi went the extra mile with the design. The asymmetric polished design ensures that there's no screen reflection, so you can work or binge watch your favorite shows for hours without any glare bothering you. It's all about that comfortable experience. Now, let's talk colors. The Xiaomi Mi light bar boasts a high raw 95 color rendering index, which means it shows objects in their full, natural color. No more washed out visuals. Plus, it's flicker-free, so your eyes will thank you for those long work sessions. But wait, there's more. You get to be the lighting maestro. The remote control lets you adjust the color temperature and brightness to suit your mood or task. Short press for on-off, long press for computer modes, and even rotate to fine-tune the brightness and color temperature. It's like having your personal lighting assistant. Wondering about setup? It's a breeze. The Xiaomi light bar is magnetic, so it attaches easily, and it's adjustable up to 25 degrees to prevent glare. Plus, the wide-angle pivot makes it compatible with curved screens, with or without bezels. And let's not forget about the design. It features a sleek black metal body that'll complement any workspace. It's not just a light, it's a statement. Here's the cherry on top, the USB Type-C port. When connected to your computer, the light magically turns on with your computer. Convenience at its best. So, there you have it, the Xiaomi Mi computer monitor light bar. If you're tired of subpar lighting and want to elevate your workspace, this is the way to go. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech awesomeness. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of tech. Until next time, stay lit, stay productive, and stay tech savvy.